In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to create a Google Ads account without setting up an active campaign first. If you normally create a Google Ads account in the usual way, creating an ad campaign is part of the steps you need to take to complete your account setup. This also includes setting up your payment details such as your credit card or your bank account, for example. But if you prefer a clean account without any ad campaign setup, then I will show you the way to go and how to set that up properly. If you follow these steps, you don't have to set up all the payment details yet, and of course you can do that later when you want to start running your ads. This way can be useful if, for example, you want to do keyword research and you do not have access to a premium keyword tool. The Google Keyword Planner then can be very useful to get a good impression of the search volume for certain keywords you are interested in. The Google Keyword Planner is completely free to use, and all you need is, you probably guessed it already, a Google Ads account. So let's start at the beginning. The first thing you need to do is log in into your Google account. If you don't have a Google account already, you can watch my previous tutorial, and there I will explain how you can set that up. After you have logged in, you can now click on the icon with the 9 dots at the right side on top of the page. If you scroll down, you will see the Google Ads icon over there. If you don't see it for any reason, you scroll down and you click on the link below, More from Google. Now a new page will open, and if you scroll all the way down, you will see all kind of different apps that are available. And you need to go to the section for businesses or companies, and over there you will see the Google Ads icon that you need to click on to set up your new account. After the page is loaded, you need to go to the blue Start button at the top of the page on the right side, and you click on it to proceed. To ensure that no campaign has to be created yet, we now choose the Expert Mode option instead of following the regular steps. Now choose the option Create Account Without Campaign. After that, you can click on Submit to continue. Click on Explore your account to finish the setup for your new Google Ads account and gain access to the dashboard. As you can see, the account now has been created and you have access to the dashboard. If you now go to the top menu and you click on Tools and Settings, you will see the Keyword Planner option over here. In another video, I will go more in depth on how to use the Keyword Planner. I hope you liked this video and that you learned something new by watching it. Also make sure to check out my other tutorials, and if you have any questions or comments, please let me know in the comment section below down the video.